Ishowspeed came to Ghana to enjoy our therapeutic cosmetic Shea Butter. In fact, he has reviewed our therapeutic healing Asian traditional medicine. Have you seen his video where he's enjoying a therapeutic massage from the miracle hands of Ghanaian ladies with our natural, undiluted raw shea butter? Let's watch this video. What if I told you our natural butter can heal dry skin, slow aging, and boost hair growth? Not only that, it also soothes inflammation and even protects your skin barrier. Most people are using shea butter in the wrong way or buying fake shea butter online. Most of the times, I see the pale colored shea butter online, which is labeled original shea butter, and then I laugh because original shea butter has an original color which is well known by every Ghanaian. Our secrets. In this video, I'm going to show you how to know or detect original shea butter with some specific characteristics. Not only that, I will teach you how to use shea butter for its optimal and best benefit. Also in this video, I'll tell you what makes Ghanaian shea butter exceptional from any other shea butter from any other country. Just like our cocoa, the quality speaks and it's something else. Last but not the least, I will show you the real health benefit of shea butter, the ones you've never heard before. How it works on your skin, your hair, and your body. And lastly, just as I earlier said, how to use it properly for its maximum result. So stay tuned and watch this video to the end. You are watching the Lab Doctors channel. Please kindly subscribe to our channel, like our videos, share, comment, and let's do this together. To start with, what is shea butter? It will surprise you to know that some people haven't seen shea butter all their life, and so they are missing out of a lot of benefits. Shea butter is a natural fat that is extracted from the nut of shea butter tree. Exactly what you see on the screen. So this is shea butter tree, and this is the nut, and this nut is where we obtain shea butter. Shea butter is commonly found in West Africa, not in Europe, not in America, not in Asia, not in any other continent, but specifically in Africa, narrowing it down to West Africa, and Ghana, we have it. For generations, shea butter has been used for skin healing, hair nourishment, cooking oil, and traditional medicine. Unlike petroleum-based cream, shea butter works with your skin, not against your skin. What makes shea butter powerful? Shea butter contains vitamin A and vitamin E, and these components repair your skin and is also anti-aging. This literally shows that if you use shea butter, you will glow and age slowly. Shea butter also contains essential fatty acid, which is very good for anti-inflammatory. In simple terms, it has anti-inflammatory properties. Shea butter also contains essential fatty acid, which is very essential for your skin barrier. Have you heard of cinnamic acid before? Yes, shea butter contains cinnamic acid, which is for a natural anti-inflammatory protection. Shea butter contains linoleic acid, stearic palmitic acid that acts as a refacic agent, restoring lipids and acting as a moisturizer. This brings us to our next benefit of shea butter, which is shea butter for your skin. Because of the aforementioned properties, shea butter deeply moisturizes and nourishes your dry skin. It repairs cracked heels, elbows, and lips. So in this dry harmattan, specifically for West Africans, shea butter is here to save you. Shea butter specifically strengthens your skin barrier, calm your skin eczema, psoriasis, and irritation. Unlike other lotions that sit on your skin, shea butter takes its time to penetrate through your skin, leaving your skin at its best natural state. And because of these properties of shea butter, I humbly recommend shea butter for skincare brands, shea butter for hair growth and scalp health. Shea butter helps you reduce hair breakage and split ends. Not only that, it protects your natural hair, relaxes your hair, and enhances curl deformation. I am here to offer you this simple solution. If your hair feels dry, even after applying oil, then your hair is begging for shea butter. Did you know that shea butter is an anti-inflammatory healer? Yes, it has anti-inflammatory properties, which when applied on your skin, it triggers the production of cytokines and other inflammatory cells that protect your skin. It also has an antibacterial properties that reduce acne-causing bacteria on your skin. Not only that, it boosts collagen production. So instead of buying thousands of dollars, cedis, or any other currency, depending on the country you find yourself, why don't you look for shea butter cream? Shea butter contains triterpenes that keeps your skin plumper. Are you suffering from skin inflammation, muscle soreness, joint pain, minor wounds and burn? Did you know that shea butter is often used in hand pain balm? Yes, because of its anti-inflammatory property. You see, this is the more reason why I am recommending shea butter to all skincare brands. Shea butter for anti-aging and wrinkles. Shea butter reduces fine lines and improve on your skin elasticity. Again, it prevents premature aging. Consistent use promotes youthful skin glow. Please, this is for all mothers. Do not ignore shea butter cream or shea butter to go in for baby creams. You have no idea what chemical is exactly in there. Shea butter for baby skin and sensitivity. Shea butter is very good for baby massage, prevent diaper rashes, very good for sensitive and allergy-prone skin. Shea butter contains no harsh chemical, making it more safer than many commercial creams. Now, before we come to how to use shea butter properly for its maximum results, let me teach you how to detect or find raw natural shea butter. Natural raw shea butter has a yellow or ivory color. It also has a strong nutty smell. And so when you get to the market and you see any shea butter which has a pale color or any other different color apart from yellow or ivory color, then you are not dealing with the original natural shea butter I'm talking about, and therefore you are not assured of the natural benefit of shea butter. This is how to use shea butter for its maximum result. Warm a small amount of shea butter on your palm. Apply it on your damp skin for better absorption. You are reminded to kindly use it at night for deeper skin repair. You can also pair shea butter with coconut oil or almond oil for easy spreading on your skin. If you have a severe nut allergy, you are advised to see your doctor before shea butter usage. If you also have an acne-prone skin, you are advised to make a test patch before using shea butter. Shea butter isn't just about skincare. It is a natural therapeutic medicine for your general health. You are watching the Lab Doctors channel. Please kindly subscribe to our channel, like our videos, share and comment. If this information was very helpful or you have used Shea Butter before and you have gained this benefit that I'm talking about, kindly comment in the comment section. Till we meet again. Bye-bye.